Good morning. I'm not wearing my glasses because they keep reflecting the light. I mean, I guess it's not, whatever. I don't actually really care. So today I'm making my own coffee creamer. Surprise, surprise, something to do with coffee. Yeah, I just friggin' love coffee, and it pretty much makes my gears turn every day, so it's great. I found this website, actually a lot of websites, about making your own coffee creamer, and I was like, oh, I've never even thought of that. The websites were just like, what you think is in your creamer from the store is not actually what's in your creamer from the store. And I was like, wait, what does that mean? I was really confused. And so buckle your seatbelts for what your traditional coffee creamers include. I have a list. Corn syrup, partially hydrogenated soybean oil, cottonseed oil, high fructose corn syrup, sodium caseinate, a milk derivative, calculus, dipotassium phosphate. I took up through organic chemistry, I should know how to say this. Sugar, mono and diglyceride, sodium stearoyl lactylate, artificial flavor, which could be anything, artificial color, which could be anything. So I found some recipes that are pretty good for your own coffee creamer that are super easy, inexpensive. Without further ado, let's get started. I don't know what that accent was, but we're rolling with it, so.
Alright, prepare to listen to my voice for a hot sec while I teach you how to make this. So I'm going to the grocery store because I bought evaporated milk, which is not the same as sweetened condensed milk. I wish my mother had told me that before I started this whole little journey so I didn't look like such a freaking idiot. But anyway, here we go. Put that in the cart, la la la. So now I'm going past the coffee creamer aisle waving goodbye because this might be the last time I buy store-bought coffee creamer. Now here I am at home with all of my supplies and I'm ready to start. So first off, you're going to open that thick can of sweetened condensed milk and pour 1 can of it for each type of creamer you're going to make. See how literally so thick it is? Oh my gosh, she's thick with 2 C's and a Q. Anyway, so the next step is you are going to pour 1 1/3 cup milk of your choice into each coffee creamer. So I had to go ahead and do this off camera because I had a little oopsie, spilled a little bit of milk on my mom's counter, and I just decided that I should focus on pouring milk. So this is what it should look like before you add the special ingredients. For the vanilla kind, I am adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla into that little mixture, which you can see me doing now. And then for my next kind, vanilla cinnamon, I am adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, hence vanilla cinnamon, so you need cinnamon. So that's me adding it. So the next part's really fun. You're going to enjoy it. It's just you got to shake that bad boy because that sweetened condensed milk is thick. So you got to take some time, really give it some love, really shake it up, really shake and bake like you're shaking and baking some chicken. I guess that's what shake and bake is for, or meats, or other. Well, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, so you gotta shake for a while. This is a fast clip of me shaking, but once you get it all nice and mixed, it's ready to go. So this is what it looks like before it goes into the fridge for a few hours. So now you're gonna take those bad boys and pop them in the fridge for a few hours. I assume you want to drink this cold. Yeah, so here is me returning a few hours later to make sure that my coffee creamers are in good condition to use. If you want to drink it warm, maybe check on that first. Don't take my go-ahead that it's okay. I would not trust me with cooking, but yeah. So here they are all ready to go, and I'm excited to try them.
It's time to try these creamers. That's pretty much all I have to say, is that it's time. I have my French vanilla and my vanilla with cinnamon. Super basic, but I don't want the creamer to be so overpowering that it takes over the coffee. Makes sense, right? I have my coffee, my cold brew. This is actually the Emma Chamberlain coffee, and I have my cup of ice. I only have 1 cup of ice, and I have 2 creamers, so I don't know how this is gonna work. I also don't know why I'm doing this in my room on my bed. I just don't want to do it in my kitchen, so I'm gonna do whatever I want. Okay, I haven't tasted it yet, by the way, so I don't waste this coffee. I'm just pouring like a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, that's good. Good enough. I actually don't know if that's a valid amount to do a taste test with, but we're making it a valid amount to do a taste test with. Okay, which one do I want to try first? I'm just gonna try the French vanilla first. Okay, shake it, give it a good shake. I have so many mason jars. Oh my gosh, makes me feel really, really cool to have a lot of mason jars. I don't really like that smell. It kind of smells like not great. Okay, that's plenty. All right, give it a little swish. Okay, kind of nervous. Wow, that actually, like, that goes off. That is so good. It's cheap and you know what's in it, and you're not getting all these weird chemicals. Chemicals? Okay, I want to try the other one, so I'm gonna go dump this out to the best of my ability, and then so now it's time to try the cinnamon vanilla one, which I'm kind of excited about. All right, that's probably enough. This is what it looks like up close. You can see the cinnamon. I don't think it's as good as the vanilla because the cinnamon's pretty strong, but it's definitely still yummy. And again, you know what's in it. And with these, you can do any milk you want. You can do cashew, almond, oat, soy. You could do, you could do whole, skim. I think next time when I do it, I'm gonna do skim instead of half and half, because it's pretty rich. So yeah, that would be my only critique. I'm gonna give the vanilla one a 9 out of 10 because it was really good, and I'm giving this one like a 7. I don't like the cinnamon as much as I thought I would. It's not bad, it's still good, but I just don't like it as much as I thought I would. So yeah, that's my how to make your own coffee. I'll link the recipe I used down below, although it's really easy. You probably don't even need a recipe, but I'll still link it down below. So okay, so my verse for this week is Isaiah 12:2. I've been really into the book of Isaiah lately. Just a lot of really good stuff in here. So it says, "Surely God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid. The Lord himself is my strength and my defense. He has become my salvation." That's such a good verse. Yeah, I just like that it reminds us that we have to all we have to do is put our faith in the Lord, and he will protect us. He is our strength. We have a comforter, almighty comforter, like a bedspread, but not. Anyway, my song for this week is by Red Rocks Worship. I've been really into their music lately. They're probably my favorite worship band right now, probably actually one of my favorite bands right now in general, not just worship. But their song, I think it's called The Living God. It's new. They performed it at their like live stream worship session like last Friday, I think. And anyway, I just like heard the song and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so good, and I just like have been listening to it pretty much nonstop all week. So that is my song for the week. It slaps, freaking slaps. I'll link it down below, like the link to the video, and I'll where in the video the song is. So anyway, I hope you guys try our coffee creamer. The website I'll link down below has 100 billion different kinds, not that many, maybe like 10 kinds you can try. I really wanted to try the hazelnut flavor, but I couldn't find hazelnut extract at the store, so I might have to order that online and try that a different time. But there's like pumpkin spice, like the chai flavor, all kinds of junk. So give it a look, give it a try. It's nice knowing what's going into your coffee, not all these weird chemicals that I can't pronounce. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more junk that I'm doing in quarantine. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.